If you're looking for the best IT courses on Coursera worth taking, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share my top recommendations for beginners and explain how you can save money if you plan to earn multiple IT certificates. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, check the discount link in the description. It can help you save on a Coursera Plus subscription, which is usually a much better value than purchasing individual learning programs. My number one recommendation is the Google IT Support Professional Certificate. It has an outstanding 4.8-star rating with more than 215,000 reviews. This beginner-friendly program covers computer networking, operating systems, system administration, IT infrastructure, troubleshooting, network security, and IT automation. It's one of the most recognized entry-level IT certificates available on Coursera. My second pick is the Microsoft IT Support Specialist Professional Certificate. This program teaches computer hardware, cloud services, networking, security controls, Microsoft technologies, and technical support skills. It's a great option if you're interested in building IT support expertise in Microsoft environments. My third recommendation is IBM IT Support Professional Certificate. This certificate focuses on technical support, cloud computing, hardware troubleshooting, IT service management, customer support, and foundational cloud skills, making it another strong pathway into an IT career. If you're completely new to information technology, you can also begin with Information Technology, IT Fundamentals for Everyone by IBM. It introduces computer hardware, networking, operating systems, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and help desk concepts before moving into more advanced certifications. Now let's talk about the best deal. Individual Coursera learning programs typically cost between $49 and $79 per month. If you also want to study cybersecurity, Python, cloud computing, networking, AI, or project management, buying each program separately can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter investment. It gives you access to thousands of eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, guided projects, and hands-on labs with one subscription. You can earn unlimited certificates while exploring multiple technology career paths without paying for each program individually. If you'd like to save on your subscription, check the discount link in the description before you enroll.